Good morning, everyone. Now I landed at Amsterdam and we arrived 30 minutes earlier. This was a good thing because I had only 1 hour transfer time. So boarding was basically 30 minutes before after I landed. So this 30 minutes early arrival was really helpful. But the thing is that we arrived gate E22 and my connecting flight to Zurich is B3 and it was really long walk. Wow, it's been a very stressful flight this time because I had a really long wait in Incheon airport before I get on the flight, and I had to move from terminal 1 to 2, and it was like traveling to completely new city. Anyway, I'm happy that I make it so far, and so far so good. And with that, I wish you a nice day. Bye.